Welcome to a journey through the Netherlands like you've never seen it before. In this video, we'll explore 20 spectacular places that are sure to captivate your imagination and inspire your wanderlust. But before we dive in, don't forget to check out the incredible activities link in the description below for even more adventures in this beautiful country. Let's get started. Number 1. Amsterdam's Canal Ring. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is a stunning network of canals that date back to the 17th century. Picture yourself taking a leisurely boat ride through the heart of the city, surrounded by charming houseboats and historic buildings. You can hop off at various points to explore the vibrant neighborhoods, visit the famous Anne Frank house, or simply enjoy a coffee at one of the many cozy cafes lining the canals. The best time to visit is during the spring when the tulips bloom, creating a colorful backdrop against the waterways. Number 2. Keukenhof Gardens. Speaking of tulips, no visit to the Netherlands is complete without a trip to Keukenhof, the world's largest flower garden. Open from mid-March to mid-May, this spectacular garden showcases millions of blooming tulips in every color imaginable. Stroll through the beautifully landscaped grounds, take in the breathtaking floral displays, and don't forget to snap a selfie with the iconic windmill in the background. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try your hand at flower arranging in one of their workshops. Number 3. Zaanse Schans. Just a short trip from Amsterdam, Zaanse Schans is a living museum that offers a glimpse into traditional Dutch life. Here you'll find historic windmills, wooden houses, and artisan workshops. You can watch cheese being made, sample some of the best Dutch cheeses, and explore the picturesque surroundings on foot or by bike. Don't miss the chance to climb one of the windmills for a panoramic view of this charming area. Number 4. Giethoorn. Often referred to as the Venice of the North, Giethoorn is a quaint village known for its serene canals and thatched roof cottages. The best way to explore Giethoorn is by renting a whisper boat, a silent electric-powered boat that allows you to glide through the canals without disturbing the peace. You can also enjoy a leisurely walk along the footpaths that line the waterways, stopping at local cafes for a slice of traditional Dutch apple pie. Number 5. The Hague's Scheveningen Beach. If you're looking for a beach getaway, head to Scheveningen, the Hague's famous seaside resort. With its wide sandy beach, lively promenade, and iconic pier, Scheveningen is the perfect place to relax and soak up the sun. Try your hand at windsurfing, indulge in fresh seafood at one of the beachside restaurants, or simply take a leisurely stroll along the shore. And if you're feeling adventurous, don't miss the chance to try parasailing for a bird's-eye view of the coastline. Number 6. Utrecht's Dom Tower. Standing tall at 112 meters, the Dom Tower is the tallest church tower in the Netherlands and a must-visit landmark in Utrecht. Climb the 465 steps to the top for a breathtaking view of the city and beyond. Once you're back down, explore the charming canals and unique shops that line the streets of Utrecht. The city is known for its vibrant atmosphere, so be sure to stop by a local cafe for a gezellig, cozy experience. Number 7. Kinderdijk. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is home to 19 iconic windmills that date back to the 18th century. Located near Rotterdam, Kinderdijk is a picturesque area that showcases the Netherlands' rich history of water management. You can walk or bike along the dikes, visit the windmills, and learn about the fascinating engineering behind them. Be sure to bring your camera, as the views are simply stunning, especially at sunset when the windmills are beautifully illuminated. Number 8. The Efteling Theme Park. If you're traveling with family or just young at heart, the Efteling is a magical theme park that brings fairy tales to life. From thrilling roller coasters to enchanting rides based on classic stories, there's something for everyone. Wander through the lush gardens, catch a live show, and don't forget to try the delicious Dutch snacks available throughout the park. It's a place where dreams come true, and you might find yourself wishing you could stay just a little longer. Number 9. Haarlem's Grote Market. This vibrant square is the heart of Haarlem, a charming city just a short train ride from Amsterdam. The Grote Markt is surrounded by stunning architecture, including the impressive St. Bavo's Church. On Saturdays, the square transforms into a bustling market, where you can sample local delicacies, buy fresh produce, and pick up unique souvenirs. Take a moment to enjoy a coffee at one of the outdoor terraces while soaking in the lively atmosphere. Number 10. Rotterdam's Markthal. This architectural marvel is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a food lover's paradise. The Markthal features a stunning arched ceiling adorned with colorful artwork and is home to a variety of food stalls, restaurants, and shops. You can sample everything from traditional Dutch herring to exotic international cuisine. Grab a bite to eat, then take a leisurely stroll around the surrounding area, where you'll find more unique shops and attractions. Number 11. The Frisian Islands. If you're looking for a unique getaway, consider visiting the Frisian Islands in the Wadden Sea. These beautiful islands offer stunning landscapes, sandy beaches, and charming villages. You can explore the islands by bike, go hiking, or simply relax on the beach. Don't miss the opportunity to try some local seafood, especially the fresh mussels that the region is famous for. The islands are a great place to unwind and connect with nature. Number 12. The Veluwe National Park. Nature lovers will be in heaven at the Veluwe National Park, home to diverse landscapes, including heathlands, forests, and sand dunes. The park is perfect for hiking, biking, or even horseback riding. Keep an eye out for local wildlife, including deer and wild boar. For a unique experience, visit the Kröller-Müller Museum, located within the park, which features an impressive collection of Van Gogh paintings and beautiful sculpture gardens. Number 13. Alkmaar Cheese Market. If you're a cheese enthusiast, you won't want to miss the traditional cheese market in Alkmaar. Every Friday morning from April to September, the market comes alive with colorful cheese wheels and lively demonstrations. Watch as local cheese farmers and merchants negotiate prices in a charming display of tradition. After the market, be sure to explore the picturesque streets of Alkmaar, filled with charming shops and cafes. Number 14. The Afsluitdijk. This impressive dam, completed in the 1930s, separates the Wadden Sea from the IJsselmeer and is a marvel of engineering. The Afsluitdijk offers stunning views of both bodies of water, and you can stop at the visitor center to learn more about its history and importance. The area is also great for cycling, so consider renting a bike to explore the scenic surroundings. It's a perfect spot for a day trip and a unique way to experience Dutch ingenuity. Number 15. The Biesbosch National Park. This national park is a hidden gem for those who love nature and wildlife. The Biesbosch is a unique freshwater tidal area with winding rivers, islands, and lush vegetation. You can explore the park by canoe, kayak, or on foot, and keep an eye out for various bird species, including the majestic white-tailed eagle. The tranquility of the park makes it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Number 16. The Hague's Mauritshuis. Art lovers will appreciate a visit to the Mauritshuis, an exquisite museum that houses a collection of Dutch Golden Age paintings, including Vermeer's Girl with a Pearl Earring. The museum is located in a beautiful historic building, and the intimate setting allows you to appreciate the artwork up close. After your visit, take a stroll through the nearby Binnenhof, the political heart of the Netherlands, and enjoy the beautiful architecture. Number 17. The Hoge Veluwe National Park. Another stunning national park to explore is Hoge Veluwe, which is not only known for its natural beauty, but also for its unique art collection. The park features a variety of landscapes, including heathlands, forests, and sand dunes. You can rent one of the park's free white bicycles to explore the area at your own pace. Don't forget to visit the Kröller-Müller Museum, home to an impressive collection of Van Gogh's works, set against the backdrop of beautiful gardens. Number 18. The Windmill Village at Kinderdijk. While we've already mentioned Kinderdijk, it deserves a special mention for its enchanting windmill village. Here you can visit several operational windmills and learn about their history and significance in Dutch culture. The area is especially picturesque during the golden hour, when the windmills reflect beautifully in the water. It's a perfect spot for photography enthusiasts and those looking to capture the essence of traditional Dutch life. Number 19. The city of Groningen. This vibrant university city in the north of the Netherlands is known for its youthful energy and cultural scene. Explore the lively streets filled with shops, cafes, and galleries. Don't miss the chance to visit the Groninger Museum, famous for its modern architecture and eclectic exhibitions. Climb the Martini Toren for a panoramic view of the city, and in the evening, enjoy the vibrant nightlife that Groningen has to offer. Number 20. The Dutch coastline. Finally, no visit to the Netherlands is complete without experiencing its stunning coastline. From the sandy beaches of Zandvoort to the rugged dunes of Texel, the Dutch coast offers a variety of landscapes and activities. You can go sunbathing, beachcombing, or even try your hand at kite surfing. The beach clubs along the coast are perfect for enjoying a drink while watching the sunset over the North Sea. And there you have it, 20 spectacular places to visit in the Netherlands that showcase the country's rich culture, stunning landscapes, and vibrant cities. Whether you're exploring the canals of Amsterdam, relaxing on the beaches of Scheveningen, or immersing yourself in the art of the Hague, there's something for everyone to enjoy. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to Impeccable Planet for more travel inspiration and adventures. Check out the incredible activities link in the description for even more things to do in the Netherlands. Thank you for joining me on this journey, and I hope to see you in the next video.